How to open my old Binance account. Now, it doesn't matter first of all how old the account is. You can actually just choose to open your old Binance account as long as you have the access to the email address and the phone number that you had provided initially. So all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Binance app. This is the interface you will see where you have to go to the option called sign up or login. Once you go to the sign up login button, you will see this interface that says welcome to Binance or anything as such. Now over here, all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter your email address and the phone number without country code. So depending upon which email address that you want to recover, right, you want to make sure to enter that account details right there and just hit the next option. On the next page, you simply have to go ahead and then choose to enter your password. Now if it says login here, sorry, you can just go to this login option and then just hit the next option right there. And after that, you have to simply choose to enter your password. Now if you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password button there in order to reset it if you want to, or you can just tap on the next button and then you will be able to enter your password and log into your account no matter how old the account is. So I hope that this video really helps you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.